Okay, boys and girls, we're doing more subtracting tens and writing the equation. So first we have to count how many 10 sticks we have all together. So we have 80, and we crossed off 2 tens of sticks. So that's 20. So how many do we have left? Yeah, we have 60. Very good. Let's try the next one. Let's count by tens. There's 70. And how many did we cross off? 20. And how many are left? 50. Very good. Let's look at this one. How many 10 sticks do we have? We have 40. We crossed off 10. How many are left? 30. Good. Okay, let's count these sticks of 10. We have 80. How many did we cross off? 40. And that leaves me with how many? Do you see a strategy there too? That looks to me like doubles. Okay. This next one's pretty simple. How many altogether is 20? I crossed off 10, so I have how many left? 10. Good. Let's count the next one. 90. That's a big one. And how many did I cross off? We crossed off 50. So how many does that leave? 40. Excellent. Very good. Okay, I want you to count the next one. How many 10 sticks do I have? I have 50. I crossed off 20. What does that leave me with? 30. Very good. And the last one. How many sticks of 10 do I have? 60. How many did I cross off? 10. And how many do I have left? 50. Very good. Okay, turn it over on the back side. We have our 3 subtraction facts. They're pretty simple and should not take you very long, but it's a good review. And then turn it into your teacher when you're done.